Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a 2-in-1, a very special smartwatch from a brand called Basix. So this smartwatch is not only a smartwatch, but also it have a built-in TWS earbuds inside the smartwatch body. So today I'm going to show you what's inside this box and also the basic specification about this smartwatch Basix Watch GT5. Okay, next I'm going to open it and I'll talk on the specifications from the main features, the battery lasting, and also the things that I think I should mention. Okay, next I'm going to open it, and we can see first the box is very simple and it's a pure black design box. It's a squared style box, and also we can find the brand and model name of this smartwatch. And okay, after we open it, okay, we can find here the smartwatch just is in this place, and it's just in front of us. And also we can find the model name Basix Watch GT. And okay, first let's take this smartwatch out and put it here. And then okay, it's also include a soft material to fix the style of the smartwatch. And okay, next, before we check the smartphone, I'm going to show you the other accessories inside this box. So here, okay, under this smartwatch, we find the provide there's a material smartwatch band, and also a silicone material black watch band. Okay, so they provide two watch band. Okay, so next let's check the accessories here. Okay, so here is the user manual. It tells us how to use this smartwatch, and also here is the warranty card. Okay, here is the ear tips. Also here is the charging cable, so it supports the standard magnetic charging cable here. Okay, so let's put this stuff aside first. And okay, so I think this is all the stuff inside the smartwatch box. And okay, let's put it aside. And now let's go to the smartphone itself. Okay, put this stuff aside as well. Okay, so now the smartwatch is in front of us, and we got it, no mess. So okay, I'm going to show you basic instructions of this smartwatch. So these are the sport mode. It shows the steps and the calls and the distance information, and also it support heart rating. And this is sleeping mode. Okay, we can add some other applications, functions, data, heart rating, sleeping, workout, weather. Okay, go back to the main watch panel. And here, message. And also here is the, you find the time. Okay, from up to down. Mood, song, settings. Okay, time, battery, good settings. Easy, we can find the settings menu, style. Okay, different menu styles. Display, battery, variation, intensity, language, QR code, system information. Okay, here I find the system information here. Basix GT5. reset. Okay, this is the time information clock, and also in the watch panel we can find the time instructions here. So okay, here first I show you the UI of the smartwatch, and then I'm going to show you the other details about this smartwatch. As I mentioned, this smartwatch is a it's a 2-in-1 smartwatch. It's have a built-in TWS, and here, whoa, when we open the smartwatch panel, here we can find there are two left and right TW earphones inside the body of the smartwatch. So this is a very special and unexpected design for a smartwatch product. Yeah, so it's so unique. And also, the smartwatch can be used as a charging case for the TWS. So this is very, very useful. And also, as I mentioned, besides the TWS, it's also a smartphone. So this, and also it supports the health management, sleeping detection, small sport mode, messaging notifications, and other things. Is that when you use this and connect to your smartphone, this one can use as a remote controller for your camera. So you can click here, and then you can click here, and then it will take a picture. And also, next I'm going to show you the TWS inside this. So this TWS is very, very small, as we can see here, very small. It's only 4.8 grams. So it's super light, ultra light, just like, okay, actually when I hold it in my hand, I just feel I don't feel the weight of the TWS. And also this TWS can support 3.5 hours music for the music listening, and also it support active noise cancelling when you use this to talk to others. And also this smartwatch and the TWS is have a Ip67 waterproof. So under 1 meter, underwater 1 meter, it can support the 1 meter underwater waterproof, and also anti-sweating and washing. So this is actually very, very useful, especially for a product that can open like this. So this is have you say unimpacted. Also, as we can see here, there's a sensor here. We can use this to detect the heart rate and our oxygen, the blood oxygen, and the bladder, the bladder glucose, and to detect your blood oxygen saturation, and also detect your sleeping qualities. So this is also very useful. Okay, when I put the TWS back like this. Okay, how to? Okay, yes, like this. Sorry, not so familiar with this here. Yes, like this. Okay, put it back, and then here, when I hold it in my hand, as we can see, also open it, and we can test the heart rate in measuring. Now it's measuring my heart rate. It's 72 BPM, and we can see now the green light is flashing. This is very very useful. And also Okay, now it shows the numbers here. 90 BPM measuring. Note, remember I showed you the message here. So this can notify you to drink water, to not sitting too long, and the clock. So this is, yes, another useful functions. And also about this smartwatch, sorry, it have a 250 mAh battery. It support 1.5 hours. It takes 1.5 hours charging time, and also it can use for 7 to 9 days for one charging. So obviously it's very energy saving smartwatch as well. Yeah. And remember told you the QR code. Yes, this is the QR code functions. This means this is a smartwatch app QR code. When you show the QR code, you can use this to add friends, and also you can scan it. You can get a payment from it. Use it as one kind of a payment. Okay, so do you like this such a unique and special designed smartwatch? Well, so this is the sensor. Okay, obviously it's a very unique product. It's market, right? And now it's charging. When I open it, okay, like this. If you were such a special and smartwatch, I will say you will be the coolest guy in the street. Okay, do you like such a device? Make a comment and let me know your thought. Thanks.